Pop, it's tail bubble! Pickle the dragon had one big problem. Whenever you got nervous, he breathed fire, so no one came near him. One day, he hid behind a tree and watched some forest animals play. He giggled. Fire puffed out and scared them away, but a kind bunny stayed. She offered him a mug of warm tea. Pickle sipped slowly. "No more hiccups." The bunny smiled. "See, you're just a little nervous." They played all afternoon, and Pickle didn't hiccup once. Remember that. A little kindness can fix big problems.